Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a new slide page in Microsoft PowerPoint. So great, let's start. At first, open your PowerPoint document. In this video, I will show insert new slide page in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we can see now going to the home menu option, then click. Now I can see then select from new slide option. I can see then I show the new option. Now we show the title slide and now then it shows that it's now you can see then show the click to add title. Now select from any text, then I show another text, that it. Now you can see insert new slide page in PowerPoint document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.